Morning, lovely people. Today we're sharing a video of moving a very large polytunnel over a 6-foot fence. Why are we doing this? Well, apart from the fact it's the third polytunnel we've had, not quite in as many years, but not far off. After the previous one being blown away, we foolishly put this one, or started to put it, in the same place. That was my idea. Dave suddenly realised the error of our ways, so that's why we're moving it into the protection of a very large ruin wall. So watch this space. There are some antics. Not sure it'll be a happy ever after story. That's work in progress, so you'll have to stay posted for that one. Cheers.
Hi guys, right. Looks like we've got to move this bloody polytunnel. I've got my friend Nick here. Stupidly, he's decided to help me. Right. Oh dear. Here we go. Okay. Whose idea was this?
Yours.
Who wanted the polytunnel down here in the first place?
Me. Live and learn.
Good here, isn't it?
Good here, isn't it?
And again. What?
Having a been nettled.
Yay!
Have you been stung?
Been nettled.
Nettled?
Oh, I hate that. Why do you think I sent you that side?
You've got brains, I have.
But here's the new polytunnel in place after Mick and Dave manhandled it over the 6-foot fence. It's a bit empty at the moment, folks, and it's also very hot in here, so I won't spend too long, but I have to share with you I've grown some squash, butternut squash, and then the ones nearest to us are melon from seed, so happy days. The red cabbage, broccoli and lettuce I've purchased. And the idea is we've got the plastic down just for this year to kill the weeds without using weed killer. We'll lift it next year. So this year is going to be a bit restricted, well, sort of, because everything will be done in poly bags. We still have to buy some more, and we've still got 2 at the top of the garden. But there's my peppers. I've got courgettes and cucumbers, and a couple of cucumbers already planted. They are not, the first one nearest us is a bit wilted. And to finish, the happy ever after story, hopefully, is, look,
Hi, Dave here. It's a tad warm at the moment. It's about 37 degrees. And not sure that Nicola really needed that polytunnel moved just at the moment. But there you go, she's got it now, and I'm sure she's going to make good use of it. So stay tuned and follow her exploits in the polytunnel and the garden beyond. Nicola and myself hope you enjoyed the video. And we thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to follow us on our further adventures as we continue to build our dream here in Portugal. Please feel free to comment or ask questions. We do read all our comments and try to reply promptly. Hope to see you again soon, and all the best from us both. Bye for now.